Want to save time in Microsoft Word and keep your documents consistent? Quick Parts can help. Let's start with AutoText. To use it, just highlight the content you want to save, like a standard email signature, a product description, or a project outline. Then go to the Insert tab, click Quick Parts, and choose AutoText. Click Save Text to AutoText Gallery, give it a name, and click OK. Next time you need it, just go back to Quick Parts, AutoText, and select it from your options. Now let's look at Document Property. Here's how to use it. Place your cursor where you want the information, like the company name, and go to Quick Parts, click Document Property, and choose a field. In the Added property, type what you want to appear. Once you enter the company name once, it will auto-populate every place you enter it later in the document. If you decide you want to change the company name, simply change the text in one of the places you inserted the document property, and all the other fields across the entire document will automatically adjust to match your new text. Another powerful option in Quick Parts is Fields, great for adding dynamic content. To add a field, place your cursor where you want your information, go to Quick Parts, select Field, and from the options, choose what you want. Many fields can be customized in either their formatting style or whether they update each time you open the document. Finally, there are building blocks. These are pre-designed elements like cover pages, headers, and text boxes. To make one, highlight the content you want in the design and go to Quick Parts, click Save to Quick Parts Gallery. And then make sure you click Building Blocks from the options. Now when you want to insert your title page for future documents, all you have to do is select it from the Quick Parts menu. You can preview anything in the list and insert it with a click. So next time you're in Word, let Quick Parts do the heavy lifting. Give it a try and stay tuned for more Tech Tip Tuesday videos.